For today's brunch, scrambled egg and garlic fried rice.
It's 5:13 and kanina bumiyahe na si Kenneth pabalik ng Dolio, kaya eto ako na lang mag-isa ngayon dito sa apartment. But later po may makakasama naman ako dito. Kung nakita nyo, before, nung nandito si Kenneth, siya lagi lahat nagluluto. Tapos since yun nga, umalis na siya kanina. So, no choice but to cook. And, yan, right now, lalabas lang ako saglit to buy coffee. I'll just go to 7-Eleven to buy hot coffee. Yun lang, share ko lang. So, dito ko dadaan kasi mas malapit yung 7-Eleven here. Ayun, that's the 7-Eleven na. I'll just buy a coffee lang and then I'll go back na ulit dun sa apartment to eat breakfast. Kasing bagong gising. Nagpuyod lang ako ng buhok. Nag-clip lang. Since yun nga, wala si Kenneth. Wala akong kasama. I miss you, love. Ingat ka dyan sa Dolio. Ingat ka, mag-work palagi. I love you. And this is my coffee. This one is a toffee caramel macchiato. Ta-da! And now I'll go back to the apartment. Yes, I got my coffee. That's good. So this apartment is a self check-in. Ganyan lang. And then I'll make sure that this door is locked. And automatic na siya. Then go to second floor. Then open again. Okay. And then look. And I'm back. So yeah, let's eat brunch. Because it's already 10:19 na. So yeah, let's have brunch. Later, guys. Done with breakfast while watching Annalyn. Back to you, Moira. And as I have mentioned po kanina, nakabalik na si Kenneth sa Dolio, kaya ang kasama ko naman ngayon ay si Tita Lala together with her friend si Tita G. So, gabi na kami nakalabas. After work pa ni Tita Lala niya ako napuntahan sa apartment. And ngayon, papunta kami sa New Taipei Metropolitan Park. And we took a train lang po from Sanchong Elementary Station to Sanchong Station. Ayan, via Orange Line po ito. So, yan, papunta kami ng New Taipei Metropolitan Park. Yan, doon kami lang po igagang. We're going to New Taipei Metropolitan Park. Yan. So, the one in denim jacket, that's Tita Lala. Yung naka-blue sweatshirt, si Tita G. And yung naka-white naman po na sweatshirt ay si Tita Jingay. One thing about traveling in Taipei, halos lahat po ng station is meron connected or located na mga tourist spot destination. So, lahat reachable siya by train, tapos konting walk na lang, or train and then connected to another train. So, ganun po ka-convenient yung traveling dito sa Taipei.
Tapos wala dito si Kenneth. Ay, naka-video po. Saan mo ba? Doon na lang po pag malapit. Love, sana nandito ka, love. I miss you. I miss you, I love you.
So, kapag na-visit nyo din itong New Taipei Metropolitan Park, makikita nyo ang daming slides and yung mga play area talaga na for kids. And ito, yan, tinry ko tong slide nito. Actually, wala naman talaga akong balak. Dapat si Tita G. Kaso, anong nangyari? Ako lang yung nakapag-slide, siya hindi. So, ayan, enjoy na enjoy ang bata, ba? Diba? So, after namin sa New Taipei Metropolitan Park, we took a train lang din going to Ximending. So, Ximending is one of the famous night markets here in Taipei. So, we decided to go to Ximending. Tapos, dito na kami mag-dinner. As far as I can remember, yung ganitong oras, almost 10 p.m. na. So, yan. Kaya, late na kami makakapag-dinner and nakita nyo naman, even if late na, ang dami pa ring tao dito sa Ximending kasi yan talaga yung puntahan dito sa Taipei. So, Taipei is famous for mga night markets talaga. So, yan, they decided to eat hot pot. Yan yung kinainan namin and that's how they prepare the hot pot here. Ayan. So, ang nagbayad pala nito guys si Tita G. So, thank you Tita G for the dinner treat. Tapos after nun, we had ice cream. So, libre din po ni Tita G. Thank you so much po!
Thank you for watching. Follow, subscribe for more.